All right, guys, back again with another box break. Picked up a box of 2022-23 Donruss Optic Choice. Got this for $180 at DA Card World. Like I said, a lot of boxes are kind of going down in price now, so I'm picking them up. It's been a long time since I've opened boxes. I've done two in a short amount of time, both 2022, 2023. Going for Paolo. I'm a big fan of his. So let's see what we get in this one. First card is a Grant Williams, Celtics, Chris Paul, Suns. Autograph is Tony Parker Optographs. Not bad. It's pink. Let's see if it's numbered. Nope. Not a bad autograph. Sorry for pulling that first. I'm not as adept at this as some other breakers. Kuzma, Simons, Victor Oladipo, numbered to 24. Musa Diabate, and Osmani Dang. Not the best box in my opinion. Not a single card I like. Parker's okay, but not somebody I really collect. Probably gonna get rid of all of these. But that's the box, guys. I've been a big fan of these one card, one autograph type boxes. I might go for an old 2021-22 Prism Choice next. So, you know, if you're interested, keep a lookout for that. Thanks, guys.